Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yo guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today, I just hit 100 subscribers as you just saw in the last clip. Anyway, so we're doing a 100 subscriber special, and we're with Finn, me, Jose, Justin. That's Justin. All right. Yeah.
Three, two,
Let's go, fam.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yay.
Oh.
Okay.
Carlo,
Shoes.
Scarpa,
Give me your shoes.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Sup, sideshow?
Alright, film my feet.
What are those? Dude, you look like an egg. Alright. Jose, it's your set first.
His shoes didn't fit on me.
No, you have to wear them.
Double whip.
I'm Mr. Krabs. Oh!
Ow.
Let's do a
No,
180
I
stall
can't
in
do
the
this.
quarter.
Can you go?
Off the quarter pipe!
Oh.
What?
Whoa.
I can't even ride backwards on a scooter. That's all I can do.
Excuse me, can you please move? Well, like, I don't want to hit any of you. I don't want to hurt any of you. Watch out. Come on, we don't want to hurt any of you guys.
Got a notification. Oh, damn. Oh, he needs some milk.
Alright, so that was kind of a bust. Jose couldn't even put his foot in my shoes. So we're thinking about either doing foreign candy taste test V2, or something else that we find. First we're gonna get some clips, so
No,
we got our filmer.
The salt and ice challenge.
Alright, we're in 60 frames a second, and we're gonna get some slow-mo. We're gonna get some clips, so.
How I do this? Start.
Oh! Hey,
Oh! Do a trick, do a trick, do a trick. Oh! Jump. Oh! Oh! He needs some milk. Jump and oh!
If I land this right now, you have to hit the like button. If you don't, then I will go to your house and knock.
Ah!
Bar stall!
Oh, jeez! No!
Jose is sad. That almost hit you, Carlo.
Let's look at this bright.
Okay, we're going to Rocket Fizz now to get some
Oh, you better keep
foreign
on
candy. All right, guys, getting some GoPro clips. Got some tree, got a trash can, got a tree again.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, guys? Scare's here.
Hey guys, so this is our 100 subscriber. Weird. So we gotta drink some of that to wash it down. Alright, so what we did is we bought random sodas.
Damn it.
So we have buffalo wing soda,
American Kit Kat.
put that away.
Hey, don't touch my candy.
Sweet corn.
And water.
Ranch dressing.
Ew.
And then we got
That what?
New York seltzer to
Oh.
wash it down.
Alright, let's start. We need cups.
Yeah, Jose.
Man, I'm gonna die today.
Technical difficulties.
Sweet corn first.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking one sip and that's it, probably.
you have to swallow it.
I know.
I'm screwed.
It smells bad.
I know.
Oh, this is not gonna be good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Jose.
Did you swallow, Carlo?
Yeah, some that is with.
I don't do this.
Swallow.
You have to
swallow. Swallow. Don't taste it. Don't taste it. Swallow. Okay, that was disgusting.
Yeah. I think the coffee's gonna be just like cold
I guess it's
brew.
gonna be like iced coffee. Dude, watch for my bag.
I didn't hit your bag.
Look forward. Can't even look forward to anything.
Oh,
Wait, why am I still wearing my
I
helmet?
almost threw up. Like
I
it.
feel like it's gonna taste like cold brew.
I know, right?
I'm allergic to ranch. No joke.
No, I'm not.
I'm not lying.
I bet they don't have
Yeah, probably
actual
doesn't-
ranch in it.
This doesn't smell like anything. All I smell is like
The
corn.
Probably just gonna
All I
taste
smell is corn.
Okay.
3,
No, it's because it came out of my
2,
nose.
1, go.
I drank it. Mmm. Never mind. I got the taste.
Actually, doesn't taste bad.
Let me show you how much I drank, guys.
The aftertaste.
Don't
isn't
like
good.
it. I do not
I drank
like
this.
it.
Oh, good for a water blast.
How about? How about we have a way? How about at the end we have to drink all of them combined?
Yeah.
Wait, what are we doing?
Ranch.
Nope. I'm not putting that in this cup.
You have to, Jose.
Mm-mm.
You're such a cheater.
No, I'm
Everybody,
not doing it.
Comment
I'm not doing
Jose sucks if he doesn't drink
Yeah.
this.
Okay. I'm fine with that.
If he doesn't have to drink it, we have to pour it in his hair.
Yeah.
No, you can't do that.
Eat it or wear it.
Eat it or wear it.
Wear
Either.
it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it tastes like hair.
Ew! Ew, how do you know hair tastes what hair tastes like?
Drink your
Wait,
New
what's
York
this?
seltzer, Carlo. God, that was gross.
Why am I about to drink more?
How much a month is it?
1,000.
Jose
I'm wearing that.
Jose chooses to wear the buffalo. 3, 2, 1.
You drank it? Who needs mouthwash?
Oh, it's spicy! It's spicy!
Your face.
Who needs mouthwash? I swear, someone's
It's
mouth smells.
spicy!
Okay, I'm doing the mouthwash shot.
Ugh.
Oh, this is gonna burn
You
so
can't.
bad.
You can't swallow it. Don't swallow it.
Wait, don't swallow it, that's bad.
I already swallowed some.
That's really bad.
Okay.
Why do you hate mouthwash? It's not bad.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Wash it around and spit it out. Ew.
All right, guys. For the last thing, we are gonna mix every drink together.
And then we get to dump all of the rest on Jose.
Nope, not all of it.
If Jose does not want to drink these mixed together, he
Hey, I drank a little bit of this.
have to wear all of this mixed also.
Smell it.
No, I'm not even gonna
I dare you to.
I'm just gonna put it in my mouth, swallow it, and be done.
What? You are? No! What? I did not say all 4!
Let's mix that all up real nice.
What is that?
Okay.
3,
Wait, you guys are actually?
1.
Get up!
I didn't even taste it. I just, right when I put it in my mouth, I put this down so I didn't taste it.
That was a gross.
Thank you.
Oh God, I don't want to see this.
I'm still tasting the corn.
Oh.
Hey, not on the grass.
Okay. Oh.
Carlo just did the mix and he almost
It's too
threw
close to your
up.
face.
So what I did is I tasted the mix, but I put my other drink right after, so I didn't taste it. So that was pretty nice. Jose's getting goggles, and
Go grab the other two.
we are going to mix that up.
I don't want to cook.
No, we're gonna do this.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Put your head over the back.
Go, ready?
Ready, Jose?
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god!
Oh, the camera fell.
Oh, it smells so bad! Oh, it's so cold! Oh! No more! Oh! Screw you guys! Screw! Okay, that's good. Oh! Okay, turn on the water! It burns!
Put your head under.
Like, no joke, it burns!
It's on the bathtub.
Move this! Oh!
Not that sink.
Ah!
Guess who forgot to do the outro? Me. As you guys saw at the start of the video, I have 100 subscribers, but I didn't really get into it. Honestly, in my last video, I said my next goal is 100 subscribers. And now I'm at it, and now I don't, like, what should I go for now? Like, I'm gonna go with 150 subs. So, obviously there has been a lot of increase in subs lately, so if you're new, thanks for coming to my channel. All I have to say is that this makes me, like, super happy. That was, like, my one goal in YouTube, and now I don't know what to do. Now I can actually, like, start building off of it. You know, less than, like, I don't really want to brag, but less than 10% of, I think, 10% of YouTube channels get over 100 subscribers, and so now I'm in that upper 10%, which is really awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Comment down below if you liked my new intro and my outro that I'm going to play right after this. So now I'm over 100 subscribers, so I said that in one of the descriptions of my video that I'll go over 10 minutes when I have 100 subs, and I have 100 subs, so I'll start working harder to get that extra time. I might be getting a new camera. What? What was that? Alright. Thank you so much for watching.